Sup homies, you're tuning back into Sir Gora Show. I'm very chill right now and I come up with a new segment called iPhone Tipsy. So currently I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the best thing I can do is to show you guys some iPhone tips and tricks where you can follow and do easily. So on this very first episode, I'm going to show you how you can stop Apple from tracking your iPhone down. Let's get into the phone.
Alright guys, first things first, go to your settings and then find for privacy. The next one, you gotta find for location services on the top, yes. And all the way to the bottom, you gotta click on system services. Alright, and then significant locations. Alright, and then on significant locations, you can see your history of your whereabouts. Like over here I have like Kuala Lumpur and whatever. So you can clear the history or turn off the significant locations up there. Then back to system services. Then you gotta turn off the location based Apple ads. Then you gotta off the iPhone analytics. Then you gotta off the popular near me. And lastly, you gotta off routing and traffic. So once that is done, you gotta go back to privacy and then go to analytics and improvements. So you gotta disable share iPhone analytics up there, disable it. Then you gotta disable improve Siri and dictation. You gotta disable share with app developers. Lastly, you gotta disable share iCloud analytics. Yes, that too. And you gotta go back to privacy, the bottom, advertising, the bottom. And then you gotta enable limit ad tracking. And then you gotta go back to settings. And then you gotta go to iTunes and App Store. And then you gotta disable in-app ratings and reviews. So that is how you not let Apple track you down or even your partners.
So guys, how was it? I hope it really helps you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Sir Gora Show. Thank you for watching. I'm your boy, Gorash. Peace out.